Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel GetAssist.net, where I post troubleshooting videos and useful tutorials. Before I start, I would like you to visit my website, that is GetAssist.net, where I, along with several other expert writers, post a lot of informative content on different topics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can clear your Google Play Store search history. So without talking anymore, let's jump into the video. So you have to go to the Google Play Store app, and then you have to tap your profile icon at the top right corner. Now from here you have to go to settings. Again you have to go to the general section here, and there you will see one option, account and device preferences. So you have to tap that. Now here, if you will scroll down a bit, you will see the option clear device search history. So you have to use that to clear all your Google Play Store search history. Alright, so yeah, press that, and again you will get a confirmation message. So go ahead and click clear history. So as you can see, search history cleared. Now if you will go back and if you will tap the search bar, you will not see anything searched yet. Alright, so that's how you can clear your Google Play Store search history whenever you want. So yeah, that was all for this video. If you have any technical issues or queries for my next video, you can ask me in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.